To install sections and vertical track. Most installers use sawhorses to hold the section at a convenient height for applying hinges, brackets, and cables before positioning them in the opening. The astragal may be cut as shown to allow for proper positioning of the bottom brackets. When attaching bottom brackets, you must use red-headed tech screws. This provides a warning to anyone doing maintenance in the future that there is danger involved in removing these screws if not done properly. Attach cable loops to the bottom brackets before installing the brackets on the section. Review the strutting schedule to determine if reinforcing struts will be needed for this application prior to installing sections. This information can be found on the hardware carton label or in the instruction manual. If struts are included, they should be installed on each section as the sections are installed. Position the bottom section in the opening. Using a level, check to see if the section is level. The door must be level to ensure proper installation and operation. If necessary, use metal shims or a wood wedge to level the section. There are 3 types of vertical track mounting systems. For wood jambs, there are individual track brackets turned outward from the door sections. Continuous angle reinforced vertical track may be used for wood or masonry jambs. This angle is also oriented outward from the sections. This option is usually used for medium to heavy-duty applications. Reverse angle reinforced vertical track is used on metal jambs. In this case, the door sections actually close against the angle itself. With the bottom of the track approximately a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch off the floor, plumb one of the vertical tracks and fasten it to the jamb using lag screws or tech screws provided. If the floor is not level, it is best to install the highest end first. Measure from the top of the installed vertical track to the top of the previously leveled bottom section in the opening, and note the exact measurement. To install the second vertical track, measure from the top of the vertical to the top of the section. Use shims under the second track to obtain the same measurement as was recorded for the first track. This assures that the horizontal track placement will be level and facilitates leveling of the spring power unit. Plumb and attach the second vertical track to the jamb using lag or tech screws provided. For most applications, proper spacing is approximately a 1/2 inch from the ends of the door sections from the bottom to the top. This will allow the door to float slightly from side to side and provide optimal operating conditions with minimal wear to the rollers and track. To install the remaining sections, all section hardware should be installed on each section on sawhorses except one end hinge and roller. Install the next section by inserting the roller at a 45-degree angle into the vertical track. Rotate the section so that it rests on the previously installed section. Attach the remaining hinge and roller on the left side of the door section and fasten all remaining hinge leaves. You may either thread the cables between the roller stems and the jambs as the sections are positioned, or wait until all sections are positioned and then thread the cables between the roller stems and the jambs. Repeat the installation of sections until you get to the top section.